Hey guys, you know most people hit the same wall with AI app builders. You get a nice UI, maybe a half-working backend, then reality hits. Databases, bugs, payments, integrations. The magic is gone, and it feels like homework again. So today, I'm testing something that tries to kill that entire problem in one move. MeDo. The promise is simple. One prompt, full-stack app. Front-end, back-end, database, plugins, even payments without touching code. Let's dive in. MeDo is an AI-driven, truly no-code platform built for non-technical users first. You describe what you want, hit generate, and it builds everything end-to-end in one shot. No separate setup, no wiring Supabase, no duct tape. The idea is that you should be able to turn ideas into real products, not just demos, without being an engineer. What surprised me is how forgiving it is. If something breaks, it fixes bugs automatically, instead of throwing errors in your face. You can tweak the UI during generation, and if you're visual, you can even upload a screenshot of a site and clone it in one click. That alone removes a massive barrier for people who think in visuals, not code. To see how far this actually goes, I pushed it with games. First showcase, a Santa Ice platformer. I prompted MeDo to build a 3D browser game in 3.js, where Santa jumps across icy platforms, slides on ice blocks, and collects presents. Keyboard controls, smooth movement, proper gravity, nice lighting, particles, and a clean winter vibe. It generated a playable 3JS platformer that actually feels polished, not a toy. Second showcase, I went endless. A Christmas-themed Flappy Bird-style game, fully 3D in 3.js. Festive environment, endless level generation, score counter, spacebar to fly up, gravity pulling you down, smooth animations. Again, playable, responsive, and visually clean. This is not just CRUD apps. MeDo can handle physics, game loops, scoring, and real interactivity. Outside of games, there are real apps built on it. Full e-commerce setups with real product listings and usable interfaces. Utility tools powered by plugins like Nano Banana, showing how you can pull in external capabilities and build something that feels like a serious product, not a template. Plugins are a big reason this works. There's a plugin center where you enable things with one click. Stripe is built in, so monetization is not an afterthought. Nano Banana Pro is included, and advanced users can even add custom plugins. The focus is clearly on shipping real products. Pricing is also different. Instead of locking you into a monthly subscription, it starts around $20 for 2,000 credits, plus 100 free credits every day. That matters if you build in bursts. You are not paying when you are not building. Now the comparison, because this is where MeDo really separates itself. With Bubble, you get flexibility, but you still design workflows, wire databases, and debug logic yourself. It's powerful, but it feels like visual programming, not instant creation. Glide is fast for internal tools, but it hits a wall when you want real SaaS logic, custom flows, or interactive experiences. Tools like Lovable or Bolt are impressive, but they still expect you to think like a developer, fix broken generations, and understand what's happening under the hood. MeDo closes that gap. One prompt gives you the full stack, database, plugins, payments, and it actively fixes itself when things break. Less setup, less babysitting, more shipping. MeDo is aiming at real SaaS, not just prototypes. One-click SaaS cloning, full stack generation, payments ready. Yes, if you're a hardcore developer, you trade some low-level control for speed. And like any AI tool, you should sanity check before going live. But for its target audience, this feels more complete and more production-ready than most AI app builders right now. If you're tired of half-finished AI apps and overpriced subscriptions, MeDo is worth trying. Join the project, build something real, and tell me in the comments what you would build with it. And if you want more deep dives into AI tools that actually help you ship faster, subscribe and drop your ideas below.